Welcome to Gendie, your personal trainer for mastering grammatical genders. Whether you are tackling French or Polish, Gendie uses spaced repetition and pattern recognition to make noun genders intuitive.
Notice the language identity strip at the top of the main menu.
Gendie supports multiple language profiles simultaneously. By clicking the globe icon or the language name, you can switch between them. Your settings, themes, and learning progress are saved separately for every language you practice. Let's look at the core practice.
Besoin.
Accord.
Vie. In the center of the
Foi.
screen, you will see your target noun.
You can tap the word to hear its pronunciation or long press it to open its entry in Wiktionary.
Below the word, you will find optional translations and example sentences. These sentences often have the words gender cues obscured to keep the challenge fair. Your goal is simple: pick the correct gender button.
If you make a mistake, your progress for that specific word resets to 0. Gendie rewards consistency. Once you have learned a group of words, they move to your review deck.
If you have cards due for revision, clicking Start will take you to the session hub.
Here you can choose to learn new nouns or review the ones you have already seen.
Reviews use a spaced repetition system. If you review a word flawlessly, Gendie doubles the time before you see it again, following a pattern of 1, 2, 4, and 8 days.
However, a single mistake during a review resets the word schedule to tomorrow.
Your ultimate goal is to reach a 16-day interval, at which point the word is marked as mastered.
For a deeper understanding of the language, try the noun types mode.
Instead of just memorizing individual words, this mode teaches you productive patterns.
Lessons are grouped by suffixes.
Mastering these patterns allows you to predict the gender of thousands of words instantly. There is even a special exceptions level dedicated to the rebel nouns that do not follow standard rules.
Conception.
The statistics screen tracks your entire journey.
You can view your total score, completion
Percentage,
and mastery levels for your current profile. Most importantly, Gendie tracks a global day streak. This counts every day you practice any language in the app, keeping your momentum alive across all your profiles.
Gendie is highly customizable. In the settings menu, you can adjust your thresholds, toggle translations, and choose your theme. You can also set language-specific reminders. This allows you to create a custom schedule, such as practicing French on weekday mornings and Polish on weekend nights. While the app uses your system's text-to-speech by default, you can enhance your experience by visiting the audio download dialog in settings. From there, you can download optional, high-quality native recording packs for each language.
Besoin.
Accord.
We value your privacy and data sovereignty. Gendie is an offline-first app. Use the backup and import buttons to copy your progress to your clipboard as a code string.
This makes it easy to transfer your learning history to a new device without ever needing a cloud account.
If you ever need help, look for the small information icon in the top right of any screen. Master the patterns, build your streak, and conquer noun genders. For more support, join our Discord community or reach out via email.
Happy learning with Gendie!